Hello, Canon Andrew Lightbown from St Woolos Cathedral, Newport. The service has happened, it's over, it was absolutely brilliant. I feel a mixture of things, a sense of deep pride in the cathedral and my colleagues, and especially John, who has played such an important role over the last few months. And of course, delighted for Archbishop Cherry, and the way she has and will be continuing to set the tone for the church in Wales. And it was also lovely as the ecumenical and interfaith officer to see so much ecumenical and interfaith involvement in the service, to see so many wonderful guests. So a wonderful day where I think the cathedral did Wales proud, and I think we've got an archbishop who will do Wales proud.